Hey beauties, it's Daisy here. Today I'm going to show you how I got this flawless install, so keep on watching. Today's hair is from Julia Hair and they sent me a 13x6 26-inch body wave wig that is flawless. So here we have the wig before I style it. You know I like to show you guys the lace. It came pre-plucked and all I did was just bleach these knots. So we are gonna cut off this lace. This lace is very transparent. It's a little bit more on the lighter side, so if you're darker than me, you're gonna want a darker lace. And I have a 26-inch wig. Like, look at this. Super long. So now we're gonna use my fave, Got to Be Glued in the yellow bottle, and we are going to lay this wig. Now, as you can see, this lace is still lighter than my skin tone, but don't worry, I am gonna fix it with some pressed powder and everything at the end. Now we are just going to lay this wig. I'm gonna take my scarf, and this is the best way to make your lace melt. Just put a scarf on, let it sit for a little bit, do your makeup or something, and I'll be right back. So I just wiped off the excess glue on my hairline off camera, and we are gonna do this hairline. We got some side part action going on. We're gonna take our curling wax and we are going to lay this wig, make sure it's flatter around the hairline. So I can't help it, y'all. I need to do a middle part. I feel like it's gonna look better. And I got some curling mousse. We're gonna use this to get an idea of where we're gonna lay our baby hairs, and then I'm gonna go in with the glue after to make sure that it stays in place. So now it's time to curl this hair, and woo, look at all this. We got a lot of work to do. First, we're gonna start with our argan oil and spray it throughout this hair. Don't forget the ends, most important. You don't need those looking frizzy. here is the final look. I love this hair. It's bomb, okay? It's 26 inches. It's super long. It was down to my butt before I curled it, but now it's like, let's see, it's down to about my waist, and it looks really good. The curls came out bomb. So this wig came with 13x4 parting space and pre-plucked baby hairs. It looks so good. Like, I'm in love with it. It's super sleek and it's full. It has a lot of volume. It's really long. I love a long wig. It sucks because it's summertime and I be hot, but there's nothing better than a long wig that's just slayed to the gods. You just look bomb, and I'm just really feeling this wig. It curled really well. I just put a little bit of argan oil in here just to give it a little moisture, and it does have minimal shedding, so you don't have to worry about that, and it does not tangle at all. So that's my favorite. I hate a wig that tangles. Like, we don't need no raggedy wigs, like, for real. This is an A1 wig, trust me. Julia Hair has some of the best hair, and the hairline's bomb. What I would say is that the lace does come a little bit light, but as you can see, I just put some pressed powder in there so it looks natural, you know? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to thank Julia Hair for sending me this hair, and you guys for watching. And until my next video, bye.